Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So I'll be taking over the video today, and I thought I'd do a barbecue for you guys. Haven't done one in a while. I actually haven't really done much barbecuing, to be fair. I've been so busy with rugby. So played last week, had a few days off, and I thought, why not do one? So I've had this craze for a while about chicken wings. I thought, why not smoke some on the Traeger, seeing as that I've got one. So I'm going to take you guys through the process of making it. I don't really smoke chicken wings, to be fair. I'm always doing ribs, beef ribs, the big meat. So did some research, did some homework on how to smoke some chicken wings. Yeah, not only that, I've found a packet of beef ribs from Costco's. That's probably been in there for 4 or 5 months. So no. Got that out, and I'm going to use that on the Weber Tower kettle smoker. So Fiji play Wales this afternoon, so if I get this all done, then it'll be a great afternoon. As you all know, in my house, when we have a barbecue, not only do the humans eat, the dogs eat as well. So I've got a few rump steaks for them, ready to go in the smoker. So they'll be having some smoked meat as well. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road, eh? Let's go. So I've just put the coals in. What I did was I put it in the middle and put all the coals that haven't been burned on the edge. So it's typical what you do when you're using coal. So yeah, and then that'll just burn out. So yeah, now I've got to get everything set up, put some water in the tin, as you can see there, and then she's good to go. So yeah, it's actually pretty cold. Oh no! But barbecue weather all year round. Let's go. So guys, now the smoker has hit the temperature that I wanted at. It's between 100 and 125 Celsius. So that's ready for the ribs to go on. Once I put it in, I won't touch it for about 4 hours, which works out well because I've actually got to head off to see a junior rugby team. Just gonna go see them, throw some balls around at them and yeah, just have fun. So I'll quickly throw this in and then I will check it when I get back. And what I'll do is I'll spritz it with water. I've got some apple juice, so I'll just use some apple juice with it. So yeah, let's go.
Much later.
cooking now for 4 hours. Like I said, I just come back from playing with the rugby kids. I spoke to the kids earlier, so I'll leave it now for another hour, then I'll wrap it up, and then that should be good. So as you can see, there's a lot of pullback on the meat, which is good. And yeah, so plus I've got a spray bottle that's not working, so I had to use a water bottle. So that's all good. But anyway, that's done. So now I'm going to get the chicken sorted and then spike the Traeger up and get that going. So let's go.
Oh no!
Mind you, it's actually starting up, so there's nothing wrong with it.
Looks like you're gonna burn down the house.
Thankfully we live in the farm, otherwise there'll be fire engines out here. It's just trying to get it in as quick as you can so that you don't let the hot air get out. So there you have it, guys. I've put in the chicken wings now. They've been marinating for a while now. So I'll close it and I'll let that cook for an hour. I've got the temp at 225 Fahrenheit. And then what happens is I'll take them out again, put some sauce on them, and then I'll put them back in again. So there's a lot of chicken there. As you can tell, Rocky and Paco are following me everywhere. So let's go. The sauce I'm using is Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You can get them from like Sainsbury and stuff. So what I've done is I've gotten the chicken wings out and I've poured it all over the chicken wings and I've mixed them all in. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw them back onto the Traeger and let it cook for a little bit longer, and then they'll be good to go. So the beef ribs are out, we're just unwrapping them now. There's a lot of soft bits there, so that's a good sign. It's got a good stuff. Hello, you hungry?
I'm coming.
Look at that.
Wow, it looks good.
There's good bark on it. And it's really soft, so not bad for a beef rib that's been sitting in the freezer for like the last 4 months. So, but that's just the side. The most important thing is the chicken wings, which is nearly ready. So I'll let that sit for a while, maybe 10-20 minutes, and then the chicken wings should be ready by then, and then serve up some sides and we're ready to go. Let's go. So it's been 20 minutes since I put it back in. So we're gonna have a look at it, and I think it should be done by now. So let's have a look.
Wow.
Yeah, that's ready to go. Yep, I think she's ready to go. Ethan, look, you hungry, Mama?
Nope.
No?
Mama? All right, we'll take it out. Get it inside and we'll serve it, and yeah, let's get into it. So guys, there you have it. We've got the beef ribs done, the chicken wings, coleslaw and fries as a side, and some bread. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just in time for the rugby game. Ethan's already started, so how was it? Nice? Well, there you go. Well, at least I've got his approval. So anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye for now.
Oh no!
Look at his face.
Oh, the mess in the house.
That's you. Look at all that food on your face. Don't rub it in. No, don't rub it in your hair. No.